Dominate every game with the JBL Quantum 100M2 gaming headset. In the ever-evolving world of gaming, your gear can define your gameplay. From casual players to serious competitors, everyone needs tools that not only enhance performance but also elevate the entire experience. That's exactly what the JBL Quantum 100M2 brings to the table, a fusion of precision audio, supreme comfort, and reliable communication, designed specifically with gamers in mind. Be at the center of the action with JBL QuantumSOUND Signature. Sound isn't just background noise in modern games, it's your radar, your atmosphere, and your warning system. The JBL Quantum 100M2 is equipped with JBL QuantumSOUND Signature, a cutting-edge audio technology that delivers immersive, lifelike soundscapes. From the faintest rustle of a nearby opponent to the booming shockwave of an in-game explosion, every sound is rendered with pinpoint accuracy. This gives you a true sense of space and direction, so you can react faster, play smarter, and immerse yourself fully in every scene. Whether you're exploring sprawling RPG worlds or in the heat of competitive shooters, the Quantum 100M2 gives you the auditory edge needed to stay ahead of the curve. Comfort that keeps you in the game longer. Every gamer knows the discomfort that sets in after hours of wearing the wrong headset. JBL understands that, which is why the Quantum 100M2 is built with lightweight materials, breathable fabric, and memory foam ear cushions. The over-ear design not only blocks out distractions but also provides a snug, yet gentle fit that allows you to game for hours without fatigue. The adjustable headband further adds to the customizable comfort, making this headset a reliable companion for long gaming marathons, late-night sessions, and full-day streams. Crystal clear communication, whenever you need it. In team-based gameplay, clear communication can make the difference between victory and defeat. The Quantum 100M2 features a detachable, directional boom microphone that focuses on your voice while minimizing background noise. Whether you're strategizing with your team or calling out an enemy's position, your voice will come through crisp and clear. Need to take a break or pause the chatter? The built-in mute feature offers instant control, letting you toggle your mic off without breaking your focus or fumbling for settings. All platform compatibility for seamless gaming. One of the standout features of the JBL Quantum 100M2 is its universal compatibility. This headset plays well with PCs, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, mobile devices, and Macs, ensuring that no matter where or how you game, you'll enjoy the same high-quality performance. Thanks to its 3.5mm wired connection, there's no need to worry about battery life or connectivity issues. Just plug it in and dive into your favorite titles, no lag, no interruptions, just pure, uninterrupted gameplay. Designed to match your style. Why settle for generic when you can have gear that matches your personality? The JBL Quantum 100M2 is available in a variety of stylish colors including classic black, crisp white, vibrant cyan, and bold purple. Whether you prefer a sleek, understated look or a pop of color to match your gaming setup, there's a design that suits your taste. Everything you need, right in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the JBL Quantum 100M2 headset, a detachable mic, windshield foam for the microphone, a quick start guide, warranty card, and a safety sheet. It's a full package, ready to plug in and perform straight out of the box. Conclusion: gear up with JBL and play to win. With its dynamic sound quality, all-day comfort, crystal clear mic, and versatile compatibility, the JBL Quantum 100M2 is more than just a headset, it's a game changer. Designed for gamers who demand the best, it helps you perform better, stay connected, and enjoy a more immersive experience every time you play. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just diving into the gaming world, this headset is a smart addition to your arsenal.